Yo, what is going on, guys? So many of you have been asking for an update on how to get mods in Animal Company. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. This is a working Animal Company promo code that you can use right now to get mods. So this promo code is going to unlock a secret mod menu. It's like a developer menu that's already built in. So this is no third-party app or download, and this works for with no PC and no Discord. So before I show you how to get these Animal Company mods, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because I am going to be creating many more tutorials much like this, and this works in 2026 as well, guys, so everyone can do this. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone. Like I said, this is a no PC method, but to get your Animal Company mod menu promo code, you use your mobile internet. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. And what it's going to do, guys, if you type it correctly, Crash Coupons, let's go ahead and type that in and then press go. So Crash Coupons is a game code website. They don't only have VR games, they have pretty much every other game as well. It's an absolutely awesome website. Highly recommend you check these for whatever codes you require. But what you're going to want to do to speed up the process is use the search bar at the top of the page and look for the Animal Company promo codes page here. There are 5 verified promo codes working right now in 2026, and one of these is the mod menu code. So if you scroll down, you can see Animal Company mod menu. This is going to get a free admin mod menu, and this is a simple promo code that you can enter into the computer in the Animal Company promo code part. And it is going to unlock the developer mod menu. This gives you tons of features like long arms, super speed, invincibility, invisibility, spawn weapons, and more. So basically, guys, you need to unlock your promo code here. This is because these are limited, and because they're free, it limits 1 code per person. So click on Get Full Code, and you're just going to follow the instructions on the screen. Like I said, these are free codes, and the tasks on this page are completely free. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and make sure you do follow the instructions for each. So on the screen, you're going to have a list of tasks, and they take a few minutes each to complete, and you just gotta make sure you follow the description, because that tells you how to complete each one, and they're really easy things. Like this one, for example, I'll show you free prints. Download, install this app, and create an account. So you tap on it, and they'll take you to the App Store where you just download this app. You have to open a hub and create a free account. There's tons of different things, like there's even like free surveys and stuff. So just complete 2 of them. And what it's going to do, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Animal Company mod menu promo code will be revealed in this box. You can redeem it in the computer in-game, and that is going to unlock the mod menu. So that is how to get mods in Animal Company in 2026 with no PC and no Discord. Go to Crash Coupons, search for the Animal Company page, guys, and just select your mod menu promo code. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.